Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 1, Lesson 11. Our learning goal for today says, I can model making 3. Okay, so for the last few lessons, we've been finding those hidden partners as we've been counting up to numbers to 5. Today we're going to be making 3 and we're going to use items to model or show how we do that. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to tell you a little bit of a story about the day that I went to the park. See, the other day I went to the park, and guess who was there? There were 2 bears. 1, 2. And the 2 bears were playing on the grass right next to a pond. See the pond over here? There were 2 bears, and then all of a sudden, another bear came swimming by, and then I had 3 bears. So I just showed you, I modeled how to make 3. 2 bears playing in the grass, and 1 bear swimming in the pond. 2 plus 1 more equals 3. I know because I can say that big number 2 and then add 1 more, 3. I could even just tap on all the bears, 1, 2, 3. But see, by telling a story and putting them in different spots, I can show you my parts. I can model them and show you how I made 3. Okay, let's try doing it in this beautiful vase for flowers. Okay, let's see what flowers I have around here. Oh, I have yellow flowers and I have white flowers. Now I have 1 beautiful white flower. Isn't it so pretty? I want to make 3 and I only have yellow flowers left. How many yellow flowers do I need to add to my vase to get to 3? Yeah, if I have 1, I need to add 2 more because 1, 2, 3. If I have 1 and I add 2 more, I'll make 3. See, the hidden partners in there are the yellow flowers, and the white flowers. And I had 1 white flower. I had 2 yellow flowers. When I add those partners together, I get 3. See how I'm using my objects or my items to show and model how to make 3? That's really helpful because then everyone can see all the good thinking in your brain right on your desk. All right, our learning goal said, I can model making 3. And that's exactly what we practiced today. Remember, it's all about taking that good thinking and putting it right down on your desk for anyone to see. Now, I want you to go ahead and make 3. What I would like you to do is I want you to, on a dry erase board, write 2 plus 1, because I want you to model making 3. I want you to pick out 2 of any item and put it above the 2, and then 1 of another item, and then make a video telling me how you made 3. All right, good luck, friends.